This is a mini screwdriver set that you can purchase from Chinese websites such as AliExpress and Temu and some other, probably eBay and stuff like that. So you get quite a lot of bits and a holder here. So, but this is a listing and how it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and usually costs around 3 to 4 euros. I personally paid €1 for this in some offer basically. So this is a listing basically, and these are the sizes you get here. So you can pause and inspect. They mostly have these Torx versions. It's like literally half of the cases made off from Torx. You also get these like stars, a bit triangles, these, yeah. Okay, so this is what the holder looks like. Okay, let me focus. I mean, the holder is probably fine. This is the magnetic version. They have some kind of clip-in as well, other system. I got the magnetic version, and probably fine for $1 probably. Then these are the bits, and the system how they hold is kind of weird. So they kind of don't fall out except for this one for me, but the rest are fine probably, so they won't fall out. And the way you remove them is slide it backwards like this and take it out. Then you can see there's like an extra notch here, extra reeds. Then again insert it the same way really. So the system, I guess, is a kind of okay, but you have to get used to it. At first I couldn't figure it out how to take in and put this back in, so really try to play around with it. I mean, it's not the best system, obviously. What can you expect for the $1? Then the bits itself. So let's check them out actually. Okay, so these are the like flathead screwdriver bits. These are the ones you get. There's also some very tiny one. Torx, I'm not sure what's that. Then you also got your triangle here. Okay, some Torx, one below. And yeah, it's a mess really. This holder, I don't like it. The way it's holding in. Okay, then these. Okay, and then more Torx. Okay, all kinds of different sizes for Torx, so all good there. But for like proper like smartphone repair, I wouldn't get this kit. It's just for if you need a lot of Torx, different Torx sizes, then this kit is probably decent. Then the bit quality itself. So if you are actually like trying to get a professional set, avoid this set because these are not good quality. These are Chinese quality really bits. And for example, for any of the Torx, I think you'll be fine probably, as long as you're not using it every day, obviously. Just like occasionally, maybe a couple of times a year when you need this specific one, you can take it and use it. It'll be fine probably. But like, don't purchase this for daily usage. This will be like destroyed in no time. I feel the quality feels fairly cheap really. And the way you insert it is, you have to insert like this. And yeah, it doesn't fall out as long as you insert it properly. Okay, so but if you insert it like just insert it. Okay, so that was lucky. Insert, but you see, it fell out. So there's some like gap. So wiggle it around a bit, and it's okay, decent, I guess. And yeah. Ergonomically wise, for $1, yeah, can't complain. The case is advertised as a leather basically, but obviously it's not leather, and it's just some cheap plastic stuff basically. But it will hold it in place, and it has this button, and it's kind of compact, so it's okay. You can't really complain for like $1 or $2 much. It is what it is. It's cheap set basically. If someone asks you $10 for this set, run away, because it's like yeah, it's not worth it. But I think it's worth that $1 or $2 if you just need some bits from time to time. You can keep it as a spare somewhere and you will have something. But again, these are not good quality bits at all. So if you are trying to actually maybe repair phones, I wouldn't get this, because these would only strip your screws on your phone parts. And yeah, well, probably the Torx ones, the Torx ones, even the cheap ones, are probably fine for pretty much any use. But these Phillips and Posi drive, basically, you will strip your screws with these, as if you use them on some tight screws, I suppose. Because again, it's not premium quality, it's cheap Chinese quality. So anyway, this is a set I got recently. If this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!